Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So today is interest rate news for the US dollar. It's going to be a very, very big news event. So we definitely want to check in closer to the news, and I will be live streaming on YouTube tonight for the news. So make sure that you stop in for that live stream, and so we can take a closer look right before the news to see if we can get a better understanding of what's going to happen. But anyways, I still think on the monthly time frame that this is very clearly an uptrend. I think it's still going to make a five-way pattern to the upside, most likely eventually go up and take out these previous highs. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely been going down very strong for the past, 3 or 4 weeks at least, 3, 4, 5 weeks really. But I still think it is an uptrend. I still think this is like a one, this is a two, and I still believe it's going to go up and make a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five, and probably eventually end up looking something like that. Basically, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So going down to the daily time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement as with this move right here because we are sitting at the 78%. Now, if this really is a wave one and this really is a wave two, most wave twos do take out the lower wave four, so we definitely need to keep that in mind. I mean, for me, I really can't say for sure this correction is over until we get a nice impulsive move to the upside, which tonight's news could possibly cause that move and could possibly prove that this wave two is over and that we're going back up for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we definitely want to wait and see what it looks like way before the news. That should give us a way better understanding of what the news is actually going to do. But we do have like a triple bottom right at the 78%. So, I mean, it does seem pretty likely that today, between now and the news, that we probably would likely drift up. And honestly, if it does drift up between now and the news, it may actually lead to a sorting opportunity. So we're gonna have to take a closer look at the market right before the news during my live stream later on tonight. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely got to break a structure. To me, this looks like three waves up. And I could almost argue that this is one, two, three waves down. Kind of almost looks like it may be forming like a flat. So if this turns into five waves up, that would be a 3, 3, 5 pattern. And if it does make a 3, 3, 5 pattern between now and the news, then I would say that the news is very likely to cause it to continue the downtrend. But like I said, we're definitely going to have to reevaluate this right before the news to see if we can get a better understanding of what's really going to happen at the news tonight. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.